3 free ways to research Amazon keywords. Here's what each actually gives you. Sonar, no limit, no sign-up required. Sonar by Sellics is free with no registration required for basic searches. It draws from a database of over 180 million Amazon keyword combinations. It also supports reverse ASIN lookup, checking which keywords a competitor's specific product ranks for. Keyword Tool Dominator, free, but capped daily. The free tier gives 2 searches per day per keyword source. Instead of exact search volume, it shows a popularity score to help prioritize terms. No credit card required to use the free tier. The free option you already have. Amazon's native autocomplete is always free, with no sign-up and no daily limit. It shows real terms shoppers are actively typing in real time. It doesn't give you volume or competition data, it just shows what people search. Match the tool to what you actually need for unlimited, no sign-up research. Sonar is the strongest free option. For prioritized, scored suggestions across multiple platforms, Keyword Tool Dominator's daily cap is still useful. For a fast, zero setup gut check on any single term, Amazon's own search bar is the one you already have open.